everybody, and welcome to this week's vlog. As you could tell from the title of the video, it's the day that I've been dreading. It's finally happening. It is time to clean the office. I'm gonna give you guys a quick overview of it really quickly. I just wanna say one reason that the office is like this is because we zeroed out open orders on Friday, which is amazing. And we are working on being ready to ship, or slightly ready to ship. I've already updated the processing times. There are currently D-stash bags in the shop because we are switching completely over to premium matte. So glossy is being phased, well, it's already out, but the D-stash bags are there. Deluxe, I believe there's still some available. I'll have to look. I know that mini is sold out, micro is sold out, full box is sold out. And let me see here. There's, oh, I believe deluxe, okay, sorry, deluxe is sold out as well. There's a ton of B6 kits, and then there are 14 sheets of functional. There were 400 to start with. I think I might have more of those that I can put up in a day or two, but yeah, so everything is gone except for B6 and a few functional sheets. As I find more things though, I'll add them back in. I don't know that there's gonna be a ton more, but yeah, so let me show you guys really quickly what the office is looking like. It is a disaster. I'm gonna warn you guys now, but I need to really get in here and clean, but then also do more of a deep clean. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So here we go. Okay. Whew. So this is the current situation. This has actually been picked up a bit from the photo that I posted on Instagram because I had planned on doing this last week and then couldn't. I didn't have time to stop and actually do what I needed to do. So as you guys can see, it is a wreck. Show you guys over this way a little bit. So yeah, today I'm just going to be, just dealing with all of it. I will say that this is something new. Crafts by Fowie, I hope I'm saying that correctly, actually said that she was using one of these. Hers was much prettier, but she reached out and she said that instead of doing like a trash bag like what I had, she has one of these big storage boxes so that she can just throw it over into that. And I thought that was a wonderful idea. So I picked this up at Target. It's felt, I could use a larger one, but honestly, and also like this is all still happening, but it was kind of like this to begin with. So yeah, this has been working really well for me, and then I can just dump this into a trash bag once it starts to get full, like it is now. But yeah, so there's just stuff everywhere. Everything is a wreck. We need to deal with a lot of the sheets and stuff that are in the cutting area. A ton is happening just kind of everywhere. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I will kind of speed you guys through, and gosh, this is my filming area. The closet, I think, is for one time ever the only thing that isn't the absolute worst. It's not good, but it's fine. If I have time today, I'd like to go through all of my albums and like de-stash stickers, but I'm not 100% sure that that's gonna happen today. Right now, I just really wanna focus on getting all of this trash picked up, getting organized in here, and then like really wiping down all of the surfaces, because sometimes that's not happening because I have to make sure that there isn't stickers on anything or that are gonna be set on anything. So yeah, I'm gonna get started. You guys wish me luck. Okay guys, the office has been cleaned. I did just cut out a portion of me scrubbing stickers that were stuck to the floor off of the floor. Every now and then that'll happen. Normally on an oops sheet, a sticker will fall to the ground and I won't notice it and then it'll stick. And there were quite a few, so I went ahead and did that. I do have all of my binders right here that I'm going to go ahead and go through and kind of de-stash some stickers. A lot of them I have had for a really long time and I know I'm not going to use them. For right now I'm probably going to just put them in a bin and then I will do a giveaway and do just a big de-stash probably in the Facebook group of those stickers because there's a lot. I know there's going to be a lot of them. And yeah, everything else though is done. So let me kind of do a quick overview for you guys, kind of like show you a little before and after. It is kind of difficult because this door doesn't close because of this Raskog cart. And there goes my light. There goes my scissors, oh my God. Anyway, let's just kind of, oh, okay. And there went all the stickers that were on the Raskog cart. Right all over my floor. Okay, 1 second. So this still has some stuff on it because like I said, I'm gonna do the stickers really quickly, but everything else is looking good. Nice and organized. There are still some things that I need to go through. But a lot of them are just, there's a lot of oops stuff. I'm gonna be doing those bags soon. So whenever I do that is when I will go through like some of these buckets down here at the bottom. But yeah, everything else is looking pretty good. So this is really nice. It's gonna be nice to work in here in the morning. And then this corner, I also didn't do much over here other than just kind of wipe some stuff down. And then this is where the sticker books normally go. All of that is oops, and I found more stuff that is glossy that I need to de-stash. All of these contain paper and mailers and labels and just stuff like that. I've got a couple of foiling machines here. We're about to switch over, I think, to using some different ones. I've got another one as well in the closet we're gonna start working with. And then, yeah, all planners. I still have Hobonichi Week's albums in here. I don't know if we're gonna do that or not. I might just sell those off like to another shop owner. And then up top, we've got my cleaning stuff. Tons of stuffed animals and stuff. All of the cards, I keep cards that you guys send me back there. I've got all of my clips and things on this. And then my washi house, which is pretty empty because I actually got rid of a bunch of my washi last year, I think. And I didn't replace it because I didn't need it, so. And then if we turn around, you guys can see my little filming area, which is where all these sticker books are right now. So I am gonna do that. I'll probably set you guys up and just do kind of a speed through. Okay guys, so all of these albums I went through, there is an album in here that contains all of my friend Allie's stickers from when she had a shop like 4 years ago. I didn't even go through that one. Although now that I'm thinking about it, it may have some stuff from other shops in it. I don't think so though. No, it doesn't. Okay, so that one I did not touch. Everything else I pulled everything out of, as you guys saw. So basically, this big stack is what I'm getting rid of. That small stack is kits that I'm well, it's not small, but that stack is kits that I'm keeping. Those are functionals that I'm keeping. This is trash. Also, this binder's broken. And then these are all kits from my shop. So I'm gonna go through them and either throw them in oops bags or put them into the D-stash that's happening. So all of these binders are empty. And then I keep all of my functionals, most of my functionals, I guess I should say, in this accordion organizer, which I should go through, but the thing is I use, well, that's not true. I was gonna say I use most of these. I do get in here decently frequently. These binders, however, I hardly ever go through. So yeah, that's what that's looking like. We're gonna get rid of all those there. I'm going to put the rest back into the binders. Most of those sheets of functionals are larger sheets. That's why they were in there to begin with. But yeah, so that's done, which is exciting. I also need to go through this bin that's on the floor. That's all stickers. But the sun is currently setting, which means it's getting dark, and that means my lighting is getting really bad. So I think what I'm gonna do is pick back up tomorrow after I'm done working. It's currently 6 o'clock. I need to make some dinner. And yeah, I think I might be done with this for now. I don't think I'm gonna put these back in on camera, and I actually may go ahead and go through my functionals off camera as well. Or I may go ahead and upload this actually, and then if you guys want to see me go through the functionals, let me know, but I feel like that may have been a lot of footage of me not really doing anything, but like going through stickers. If you wanna see that, if you wanna see me go through it and like actually talk through it, which I've seen people do that, I like to watch that, but to me it seems like it would be boring to watch me do it, although I guess I like to, I don't know. You guys let me know, I'll wait on that. I'm actually gonna go ahead and flip you guys around. Wow, okay, hey, how you doing? So my thing is broken, so I'm having to hang on to the back piece with one hand. I'm gonna order those screws though, and that should fix it. Anyway, but I guess I'm gonna end this here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments below. That helps me to know what you guys wanna see. And yeah, I feel really good that the office is finally clean, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.